you are over 59 and a half and you want to take out your money from your 401k. You've saved all these years, or your IRA or 403b. You saved all these years, by God, you want to start taking your money. So let's say you're a little bit older. Let's say you're 62. You're 62, you want to start Social Security. You're not working full time, key point. If you're not sure what your full retirement age, go to the link in my bio, get your Social Security cheat sheet, find out what it is. I was born in 1966, so my full retirement age is 67. If I draw Social Security at 62, that's early. I'm taking a reduced amount, 30% reduction. I'm okay with that because I also got this money in my 401k and I just retired or lost my job or quit or whatever. So I'm going to just take all the money, take it all out. And maybe there's 100,000 in there. Maybe there's more than that. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. It's my money. I'm not leaving it to my employer. I'll stick it in my savings account and I'll figure it out. That is too often people's mindset. That is a bad mindset. Before you touch your money, talk to an accountant that's well-versed in this or a financial planner and get a plan. Because when you take that money out of your 401k, you know who wants a piece of it? Uncle Sam, the feds. And I saw a video by a financial planner and she goes, if you live in Wyoming or Texas or Florida, a state without an income tax, if you take money out of your 401k, it won't be taxed. It won't be taxed by the state, but it will be taxed by the IRS. Ain't no way around that. I'm not going to talk about backdoor Roths and ways to get it from a taxable entity to an untaxable entity. The point is, if it's in a 401k, feds are going to get their money because they didn't get their money. You didn't pay taxes on when it was put in and when it was growing. So when it comes out, the feds, the IRS is going to tax it at your marginal tax rate. So before you take out $100,000 and create a $100,000 taxable event, think not only about taxes, but also think a little bit about Medicare. If you're 62, you're not going on Medicare till 65, unless you're on disability. So everybody else has to wait till 65. So taking this money out will not hurt your Medicare because you're more than 2 years away from Medicare. You're like, what does that have to do with it? So let's say I'm down here and I'm 65. I'm getting ready to go on Medicare. When they decide to figure out how much I have to pay for Medicare Part B, it's based on my income, a modified adjusted gross income 2 years ago. So if when I was 63, I took $100,000 out of my 401k and I created that huge taxable event, that will impact what I pay for Medicare Part B. And if I'm married, it'll drive up how much my spouse has to pay for 1 year. So it could be a huge mistake. It could be up to a $6,000 mistake because you took it all out in one lump sum, especially if you didn't have a plan for it. You just took it out and set it there and dealt with it later. Before you take money out of your 401k or your IRA, and I'm not talking about Roths, which the money would come out tax-free. Before you take that taxable money out, get a plan. I'm not here to give you a plan. I don't know you. I don't know your other sources of income. If you're married, divorced, getting married or divorced, your spouse's income, the cost of living of where you live. I don't know what your goals are, what your health is. All that is something you need to talk to a professional about. Again, certified financial planner, sometimes an accountant that's well-versed in this. Maybe an estate planning attorney. Put all your needs together, but a professional. Before you touch that money. So before you choose your professional, make sure they understand the ramifications with Medicare for high earners. That's called IRMAA. IRMAA, if you want to learn more about that, if you want to see what the 5 different brackets are, because you're like, I think I'll just try to figure this out on my own. You can. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. At the top of the search bar, type in IRMAA. There are the brackets. And it's for this year. Again, Medicare looks back 2 years, so you're going to have to extrapolate those brackets for 2 years in the future. They're going to go up every year for inflation. You can kind of guesstimate that. If you want to do it on your own, most accountants are not versed in this. They won't be able to help you. Many certified financial planners also are not versed in this, won't be able to help you. So you got to vet your professional that's going to help give you this advice before you take out these big chunks of money if you're 63 or older. And I mean, you could be doing this at 67, 68, whenever you take a big chunk of taxable money. It could drive up your Medicare at any year. A lot of people think this only impacts you at 65. Nope. It can impact, if you take money out at 65, it's 2 years in arrears, so it'll impact you at 67. If you take money out at 67, it'll impact you at 69. So this could be happening on and off throughout your retirement. And it's something you often can avoid, maybe by structuring those payments, structuring the sale of your rental properties, stretching out these income streams to you so that you can stay under that limit. So taking money out of your 401k, it's your money. It's penalty free if you're 59 and a half. So you can take it out, but you're going to pay the taxes. And you might be in a lower tax bracket later. You might want to structure that to get it to stay under certain tax brackets. It's not as easy as just taking your money. If you want to maximize what you get to keep from the feds, and also your state could tax it, right? There's states that don't, but most states can tax it. And having Medicare take a chunk out of it, work with a professional. That's not within the purview of the services we offer at the Medicare Family. We're here to educate you so you can avoid that, but you're going to have to find a professional near you. If you learned something, please hit the subscribe button. I'll get you ready for retirement.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.